Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today, we're going to tackle one of the biggest barriers that stops people from investing in their home security, the installation. Most people think that to install a security camera, you have to drill huge holes in your wall, run wires, and hire a professional. But what if I told you that you can have a robust security system that gives you total peace of mind without drilling a single hole? In this video, I'm going to show you the ultimate guide to installing an IP camera without drilling. We'll demystify the process, show you the right cameras for the job, and teach you simple, practical, and best of all, completely reversible mounting methods. Whether you're a renter who can't make modifications or just someone looking for a clean and easy solution, this video is for you. Stick with me because your security is just one step away. Why install without drilling? The benefits. Before we get into the details, let's understand why a no-drill installation is the best option for many people. Flexibility and mobility. This is the biggest advantage. Without drilling, you can reposition your camera at any time. Did you move the furniture? Do you want to monitor a different room? Just move the camera. This is perfect for monitoring babies, pets, or for keeping an eye on different areas of the house as needed. Speed and convenience. The installation process takes minutes, not hours. You don't have to worry about measuring, drilling, or making a mess. It's a plug-and-play system that lets you get your camera up and running in minutes. Zero damage. This is essential for renters or anyone who doesn't want to damage their walls. You don't need to ask for the landlord's permission, and you won't have to deal with the cost of repairs when you move out. Cost-effectiveness. A no-drill installation saves you the cost of hiring a professional installer. With the right knowledge, you can do the job yourself safely and efficiently. Discretion. Often, a no-drill installation can be more discreet, allowing the camera to blend better into the environment without drawing attention with screws or exposed wires. Step 1. Choosing the right camera. The foundation of a no-drill installation is choosing the right IP camera. Not all cameras are ideal for this. You should look for models that meet these three main characteristics. Wi-Fi connectivity. The camera must be completely wireless with no need for an Ethernet cable. Most indoor cameras today already offer this. Power source. There are two great options for no-drill cameras. Battery-powered cameras. The ultimate solution for a no-drill installation, since they don't need any power cable. They offer total freedom of placement. However, remember that they need to be recharged periodically, usually every 1 to 6 months depending on usage. Cameras with a power cable, most common. Even if you don't want to drill, you still need a power source. A wired camera is ideal for areas where there's an outlet nearby. The cable can be easily hidden and is the most popular option because it doesn't need recharging. Essential features. A good IP camera needs more than just a smart design. Make sure it has storage. Look for models with a micro SD card slot, an affordable option, and/or cloud storage, great for security as the video is stored online. Night vision. Absolutely essential for 24/7 surveillance. Two-way audio. Allows you to hear what's happening and speak through the camera, which is great for communicating with family members or even scaring off an intruder. Resolution. Choose cameras with a minimum resolution of 1080p, Full HD for a clear image. Step 2. The tools and mounting methods. With the camera in hand, it's time to choose your secret weapon. Forget the drill and screws. Your tools will be simple and affordable. Heavy-duty, double-sided tape, known as foam tape, or from brands like Scotchmount, these tapes are extremely strong and can secure the camera to almost any clean, smooth surface. They're perfect for lightweight cameras. To remove, pull the tape slowly. To avoid damaging the paint, use a hairdryer to heat the tape before pulling. Gel or nano-adhesive tapes, a newer technology. These tapes are transparent, incredibly strong, and reusable. To remove, just pull without leaving any residue. To reuse, simply wash the tape and let it air dry. Mounting brackets. If you have a pole, a handrail, or a pipe, clamps or tie wraps are perfect. They wrap around the object and secure the camera without needing screws. Magnetic bases. Many small camera models come with a magnetic base. This allows you to attach them to any metal surface, like a refrigerator door, a metal shelf, or even a garbage can. Small tripods or desktop mounts, the simplest way of all. A small tripod or the mount that comes with the camera is enough to place it on a shelf, table, or windowsill without having to mount it to the wall. Step 3. Strategic placement and setup. A no-drill installation gives you the freedom to test different angles and positions. But for maximum effectiveness, here are a few tips. Entry point. Position the camera in an elevated location, like a shelf or bookcase, that has a clear view of the room's entrance. Hallways and passageways. Use a gel adhesive tape to secure the camera high on the wall or in a corner to get a wide view of the entire hallway. Baby pet camera. A tripod or a desktop mount is perfect for placing the camera on top of a wardrobe or dresser with a full view of the crib or the room. Outdoor camera. If the camera is waterproof, use clamps to attach it to a railing or banister. If the area is covered, heavy-duty adhesive tape works well on the underside of an eave, for example. Extra tip: avoid pointing the camera directly at a window, as reflections and external light can ruin the image. With the camera positioned, the last step is setting it up in the app. Just plug the camera into an outlet, download the brand's app, follow the instructions to pair the camera with your Wi-Fi network, and that's it. Your camera will be online without a single hole in your wall. Conclusion: your security. Without the complications, IP camera technology has evolved a lot. It no longer requires major construction to give you peace of mind. With a wireless camera and one of the mounting methods we've shown you, you can have a robust, versatile, and completely reversible security system. Installing a security camera doesn't have to be an intimidating project. It's a simple, affordable step that anyone can take. The result is the peace of mind of knowing your home is being monitored with the flexibility to move the camera at any time. If you like this guide, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Which no-drill installation method did you find most interesting? Let me know in the comments. See you next time.